Good morning to our beloved Professor Philip Pablo IV and to our classmates. I am Roslyn Cabalhin and I would like you to greet you all a pleasant day. We will be presenting our concept note entitled The Impact of Service Quality on Customer Satisfaction and Retention in the Hotel Industry. Together with my group mates Miss Sophia Elena, Miss Doyan Kim, Miss Stephanie Reyes, and Miss Trixie Serrano. To start with, here is Miss Stephanie Reyes.
We researchers aim to develop a greater understanding whether the 5 dimensions of service quality have any significant impact on customer satisfaction as well as on customer retention. Moreover, we aim to examine whether the correlation between service quality dimensions and customer satisfaction positively or negatively impact one another. Also, we aim to examine the relationship between 5 dimensions that cause customer retention.
We will now proceed to the outline of the review of related literature. First is service quality. According to Grun-Rust 1982, the quality of a service is measured by the gap between what a customer perceives and what they expect from it. Customers are more likely to be satisfied when service providers can deliver what they promise and what they believe they can deliver. The Service Quality Scale examines service quality in 5 dimensions before and after consumption. Buildings, equipment, personnel, and communication materials are all examples of tangibles. Dependability refers to the ability to regularly and accurately deliver the promised services. The phrase responsiveness refers to a service provider's enthusiasm to serve customers and provide prompt service. Employee competence and demeanor, as well as their ability to inspire trust and confidence, are all examples of assurance. And there's empathy, which is the act of offering clients with thoughtful and personalized service.
To continue the review of related literature, first, for the customer satisfaction, it presents a versatile cross-channel metric to gauge the retailer's strengths and weaknesses from the customer's point of view, and it is also the driving force in sales growth. Next, for the service quality. Service quality's influence on the result of the service process, such as loyalty, relationship, satisfaction, and trust, made it very common among scholars. According to Matt Alexander et al. In 1994, service quality is an integral and vital factor for the success of the companies. Also, service quality is the research focus indicating customer perception on 5 basic dimensions that were mentioned a while ago, which are reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy, and tangibility. Next, for the customer retention. According to Lucas in 2012, claimed that enhancing customer satisfaction is a strategy for retaining customers, which is a big factor for them to be loyal, and it builds good relationship to increase customer satisfaction valuable because it is to keep a business productive and profitable. For relationship of customer satisfaction with customer retention. According to Walker in 2021, consider customer pleasure to be the predictor of client loyalty and retention. Customers are more inclined to repeat the interaction with the brand if they have a positive experience. Customer satisfaction focuses pleasant attitudes and feelings in order to influence future behavior. Moreover, according to Sir Prenant and Churchill in 1982, customer satisfaction is one of the most important outcomes in marketing literature. It serves to process purchase and consumption with post-purchase, such as attitude change, repeat purchase, and brand loyalty. For the relationship of customer satisfaction with service quality, according to Agbor, A person's sentiments of joy or disappointments as a result of comparing products, performance, or outcome to their expectations are referred to as satisfaction. Also, according to Parasuraman and Berry, service quality can be defined as the difference between customer expectation of service and perceived service. If expectations are greater than performance, then perceived quality is less than satisfactory, and hence customers' dissatisfaction occurs. A relationship of service quality dimension with customer retention. According to Duncan and Elliott in 2002, service quality has received much attention because of its cost, financial performance, customer satisfaction, and customer retention. Also, according to Lee in 2005, consumers all over the world have become more quality conscious. Therefore, customers' requirements for higher quality service have been increased.
Proposed problem statement. In a variety of research topics in the hospitality industry, we specifically chose to expand and explore our understanding of service quality and its correlation to the guest satisfaction and retention. We want to deepen our knowledge of how the personal's performance in the industry affects the satisfaction and retention of the guest. Now for the objectives, the purpose of the researchers is 1. To know how the service quality works with the performances of the personnel to achieve the goal of satisfying and keeping the guest to come back in the hotel with positive feedback. Next is how service quality can improve the operations in the hotel by improving the customer services of the personnel.
In order to have a better understanding of what we researchers expect to discover or examine through our study, we came up with this framework. As you can see, this framework illustrates how we would like to examine or study the correlation between these variables. To further guide us in our study, we came up with this hypothesis. This will help us identify the areas that we should be focused on in solving our research problem or in achieving our objectives. To sum up our hypothesis, we hypothesize that the 5 dimensions of service quality, which are tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy, has a significantly positive impact on customer satisfaction as well as on customer retention. In addition, we also hypothesize that the customer satisfaction has a significantly positive impact on customer retention.
Methodology or research design. For this concept note, the researchers chose a specific technique, which is the descriptive survey, for a better understanding of what level and improvement can be achieved for the service quality in correlation to the customer satisfaction and retention. By doing so, we specifically chosen a respondent in the hospitality management third-year student at the Holy Angel University in order for us, the researchers, to get a better answer and detailed data for the researchers to understand the effect of service quality to satisfaction and retention of the guests. For the research instrument, the researchers chose a common yet effective way of gathering data for the concept note, which is the questionnaire that will help us to assess the answers of the chosen respondents for the questionnaire provided by the research in reference to the other paper research topics that have helped them to collect and provide a broad questionnaire to get a practical answer.
In terms of our research projected findings, we anticipated that service quality had a favorable and considerable impact on customer satisfaction and retention in the hotel business. Service quality's 5 aspects or dimensions can be used to assess service quality both before and after it is consumed. Customer satisfaction and retention are predicted to improve as a result of the service quality dimensions. The desired objective is to be able to explain in detail how service quality influences customers' happiness and retention. These findings will aid the hotel sector, its employees, and stakeholders in developing strategies and approaches that will assist them in not only improving their services but also increasing the likelihood of gaining more satisfied clients.
For the scale, the researcher used the survey of Noel v. 2016 for service quality that measures the expectation and perception of the customers. The researchers also identified which item measure the dimension of service quality of the survey. The researcher also used the survey for customer satisfaction and retention from Megasha t 2015 that measure the degree of agreement or disagreement of the customer. This survey has 4 statements for satisfaction and 7 statements for the measure of the retention.